Welcome guys to today's video tutorial. I'm so much grateful and so excited to come up with this new class for every one of us. So this content is today's content is motivated based on request on the previous video we did on how to gain 10,000 followers organically, whether you are from Nigeria or anywhere across the world. So here is actually the video, and you can see. So actually a question comes up like, how can you buy followers? Okay, so but today I decided to make a content and make it available for you guys, and so that how you can buy followers. They are fake followers and they are original or organic followers, but today I'm going to show you a platform whereby you can buy Instagram followers. And something very interesting about this platform, it's not just maybe Instagram followers alone you're going to get from there, but also as well you're going to get a lot of package there. But today I'm not going to cover very much from this same platform I'll be showing you today, but definitely and rightly I'm going to show you something that I believe it's going to more very suitable for today's class, which is the Instagram followers, how you can buy it. And I'm going to walk you through step by step. If you have any comments, please comment, and always like, because your like actually always motivates me to always keep bringing more content. And if you're new to the channel, watching this video for the first time, you're joining us, welcome to this community. Please hit the subscribe button and please subscribe to my channel. I'm begging. Please comment, like, subscribe, and share this video also as well. And you have to turn on notifications so that you'll be the first person to get notification when I drop a new tutorial. Not just because you just have to be notified, but because you have to put some of them to work and you can get a desired result before some of those methods are being blocked. So while we ride on, so this time, so let me just walk you through how you can buy Instagram followers. There were even tons of followers, even there are some followers that were being targeted through locations. So you don't even have to stress yourself upon anything anymore. So why I would recommend you buy followers? There are different reasons why people decide to buy followers. Because if you go online and just type in how to buy Instagram followers or something, so all those kind of things, you're gonna get weird results. And before I come up with this platform, I've actually tested various platforms, and this was the one that actually works perfectly and everything was cool, and I got everything that I requested. I got it delivered. But actually when I was testing all this platform, I got one that after I started, at the end I couldn't finish. Why? Because it's a scam. So this platform is absolute 100% guarantee that you can make use of it. I'm recommending this platform for you from A to Z, and I know you too, you're going to love this platform too as well. Please, before we strike in and started, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have any comment, please, if you have any question, please ask your question, and please don't forget to share and like this video. So without being said, please, this is for educational purpose and based on request. That is why I'm making this video available. So if you're going to be using this platform I'll be sharing with you guys in this tutorial, I've used it 100%, and even right now I'm going to run a demo, 100% demo, for you guys to say it's actually working. So I don't want everybody, just make sure you use it for educational purpose alone, not for something else, please. And I'm not responsible for anything that comes, but everything is well trusted, right? Just have to tell you the fact of it, because I'm just trying to put out something that I believe in out for you. I don't put out any content on this channel that I don't believe in, or I haven't tested, or that is not okay. So please and please, if you have any question, please always drop your question. Please always drop your question. So it is even based on last tutorial of how to get 10K follower that bring up this class tutorial. So with this, I'm going to show you how you can get Instagram followers and how you can buy it, even views and a lot of things. And I want you to watch very so closely and pay attention. If you miss some part, you probably may be struggling with a lot of it. I will bring it to your notice how you can actually make it very so easy for yourself to do. So with that being said, please and please, let's kick on and let's start this video tutorial, and we're going to be moving up to the top now. So right now the platform we'll be making use of is called socialsecret.club. 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 Now this is absolute the platform we'll be making use of today, and I want to let you understand that everything here is trusted. I've used it, and I have a lot of students that I put in, a lot of people we have people in the masterclass that will use it, and there's a lot of things about this platform. So before even we get started or log in or do anything, I think this Paystack, if you don't know Paystack is actually a payment method in African that has help in receiving payments, well secure and everything. So the first thing we have to go right now is to register your account. We just have to create an account here. So while we create an account, I have to make use of my username. Okay, so password, you just put your username there. Let me just use this. So please stay with me while we just walk it through. So let me just create the account now, and I hope this just get me in once. Wow, girl, great. Wow. Okay, since my account has been created, so if you're watching this video from your mobile phone, exactly what you're seeing on this screen, this is exactly what you'll be seeing on your mobile phone. They are the same. Nothing is different. Nothing is changed. Great. So now, firstly, before anything, just please and please don't skip any process. Just stay closely while I'll be pointing one after the other, so that when you're doing it for yourself, I may not be there to put in some assistance, but if you drop a comment, I'll be glad to reply you. But there are some things you just have to know unto yourself. So the first thing you have to know is this WhatsApp icon here actually represents their WhatsApp customer representative. If you click here, it will take you to their customer care WhatsApp representative. So if I just go, it will communicate. So if you have any question, you can always reach them out there. So this message here represents if they send any message to you or something. So now that is that for that. So first, let's try to read what is here, please. You can place order easy, and after order is submitted, it can be cancelled. That means you have to be very serious. Like when you're trying to link everything, you have to watch them very so closely. So what did they say again? If you duplicate order, so what they were trying to say in this read was they're telling you that, for example, if you order for Instagram followers for 100 or 1000, why that order is on process, you don't order to that same specific link so that it won't appear twice. That means it says there won't be any refund. That means it went that way. So your payment, if you make payment to be converted in dollar, because so I'm currently having nothing here on the platform at the moment. But before anything, let's just play through this platform firstly before I place an order for you to see how you can make use of it. So in this left side screen here, this left side of the screen, you can see add fund, charges history, message settings, add order, add multiple order history. Like order history is when I started placing order, I can check my order history. So let's just play around first. They have tremendous service on this platform that I'm sure 100% sure you're gonna love it. So yeah, this is a category. This category, you can see Instagram verification. They even offer Instagram verification, but I'm not going too much deeper today. I'm just going for, so yeah, a category of services like they offer YouTube service, watch hour, this kind of Apple Music, but today we're just going to be talking, I'll still going to make another content fully about this platform a lot. So here on this so here we'll be going for category of Instagram followers. So here is a category up here is a category. So we'll be going for Instagram followers. So these sub categories, which is a service under it, they now have several Instagram service. They have Instagram followers, GQ, Instagram follower. Like, let me try to scroll it up so that you can see thoroughly. So they have Instagram followers, African, mix account, African, USA, their premium, real, cheap service, all those kind of things. Can you see their prices also in their front? These prices here represent 1,000 quantity of service. Did you get that? So firstly, so let me just select this. For example, GQ means good quality, and here says the description. They said this, if I place this order, instant starts, and it's 100% human with profile pictures and following. Great, I think I love that. So this link box here represent link I want to drop my Instagram followers, the Instagram account I want to order for. Okay, let's see how many quantity I want. Let me just say 100. So I click this box that I agree with their terms and conditions, then I click that and I do what? I place my order. While that is loading, okay, what happened? You do not have enough balance to place the order, so change your account here. That means they're telling me that I have to place an order. I have to make a top-up payment on their platform before I can start to use it. So no problem. So now let me make a top-up now. So here it said add fund. You can see add fund here you can see. So let me click add fund. So okay, these are their terms and agreement. You accept it. Okay, these are their news. So let me click on add fund again. Can you see? You click on add fund. When you click on add fund, okay, now they have various payment method. Now they have 3 here. I think they maybe because I just create this account, that's why PayPal is not showing here. So if I request for PayPal, they easily, maybe if I contact them on their WhatsApp, they will set up a PayPal. They will enable me for me to be able, so I can pay through Bitcoin, I can pay to Nigerian or international card. So if you're outside Nigeria, just use this international debit and credit card payment, and this one for Nigerians. I'm selecting this. So now that I said, let's try to check what is it. They say your payment top-up will be converted to dollar with a token of Paystack. Okay, no problem. So they say click here to make payment in Naira. So what's my name? Let me just fill the name. So email address. Okay, so how much do I want to fund? Let me just fund 500 for just a demo test run of how it works. Let me just say 700 Naira, but I'm not sure if so. My username for my social security account, so here is it. So I said okay, pay 700 Naira. So here, if you're trying to make your payment, you can make payment through bank transfer. If it's bank, you want to pay through your bank, you can select those available banks. If it's through transfer, if it's through USSD, if it's but I want to make payment through with my card. Please and please, I would just love to just cover it, and let me just do what I want to do. So they were going to redirect me to my bank. Okay, welcome guys. So I've just made the top up of the sum of 700 on my account now, and I've been credited. Can you see it has actually reflected on my account? Don't forget they charge a little token, a cent for the transaction. So I've been credited automatically already now. So what I'm going to do now is I want to place an order, and let's see how it works. But before I place an order, I have a page I want to send the followers to. So can you this is a page I would like to send the Instagram followers. For you to know this is not so I have to refresh the page, reload. So I just want to make sure everything is authentic. So we're actually currently on 857 followers. Please take note, 857. So I just have to copy the link of this page. So I just have to copy the link. I've copied the link now. So all I have to do is come back to my social security account here and come here and select Instagram follower. Can you see Instagram follower refill? What does the refill mean? It means in later on, in case of some packages cheap, if there is a drop, they will be able to make a refill for you, like get you another one for free. So I want to select this one. So I just want to paste the username link here. So let me just order for 100 followers. So you click here and process. Okay, so it said your order has been placed. Please wait 2 minutes to see a new status update. Can you see order ID, Instagram followers? So now my order has actually been placed now, and you can see they deduct $1 from my account. So that means the 100 followers I order for is $1 based on the kind of category the kind of service I selected. There are various that you can select onto yourself that you can actually use for yourself. So apart from that, so let me show you something. Now that I've placed a order, how do I track my order? How do I track my order? Don't forget the page. This is the page we're getting followers. We are on 857 followers. Let me refresh again. 857 followers. So we just have to, so 857. Now it is now on 859. Let me refresh again. This is not, maybe, you know, this is a refresh. This is a refresh. Can you see it here? Can you see my mouse here? This is a refresh I'm making. It's not, can you see, from 859 now it is now on 861. Wow. So let me just show you something before we come to that. At the left side here, so if you're on your mobile phone, you will see a menu by the right side of your phone. So you just click. So if I want to see the progress of my order, I click on order history. So I click on order history here. So now this order was added a minute ago, update 20 seconds ago. So this is the order I process. So this is the order I process. So can you see it here? So that I have 857, can you see, followers before it started, and it has to deliver to 957 followers. Can you see? So let me refresh the page again and see if something else has happened. Can you see? Now we are on 865 followers. 865 followers. The name of this website is socialsecret.club. socialsecret.club. Let me refresh this page and see if this, because you say it remain 100, meanwhile some has been delivering already. So let me try to refresh this page and let's see if it will automatically updated already. Okay, it's still here. So don't forget, we actually started the order from 857 followers. 857 followers, but right now we are presently, let me refresh again. We start from 857 followers. We are now on 868. That means about 10 followers already comes in. So that is actually to say this is not a scam zone or something. You can see it's telling me to log in, but I don't want to log in on this on this because I'm not using the Chrome. I'm using the incognito tab to make this video tutorial. So can we see everything is working perfectly? Let's refresh again and see what is happening. To know this is not a scam zone, to know this is absolute working. Can you see? So all you have to do, please, if you're enjoying this video tutorial, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and like and comment and turn on post notifications so that you get updates very so much fast. There is a lot you can do with this exactly page, this website socialsecret.com, but I'm not covering much. There is a much more abundant link from this platform, but I'll just have this. You just make use of this for the moment. So I think we'll be able to come to the end of this video class tutorial. So if you enjoyed, if you love it, please comment. If you have a question, please comment. This platform is well trusted, 100% safe to use. Everything is absolutely safe for you to use. I made this tutorial because of the question that made a request. How can you buy followers? You can buy a lot of things from this absolute website. So for example, to know these links are actually working, because some people gotta believe no, it is scam. So let me just open a new tab to see. You know, I click on it from this same website. So it's loading. It's loading. It's loading. So we are on 877 followers. That is absolute great. So for you guys, if you enjoyed this, please comment and like. I'll be so much grateful and so much happy. Love you all. I'm going to see you in the next video class. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notification. Thank you. See you in the next video tutorial.